Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Not you all alone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Um I'm green at the moment. I'm only taking one trade. Just as I said yesterday, I am doubling contracts on the Top Step account that renews on the 15th. Just to be a little bit more aggressive and see if I can pass the account in the next 8 trading days or so. Yeah, 8 trading days. So we'll see. I'm still going to use normal risk on the Apex Tradeovate account for now, but probably next week I'll double contracts on that one too, probably more than double. We'll see. We just got out of high impact news. We do still have medium impact news in 30 minutes. Yeah, that's that. So far green on one. Good. Yeah, the market hasn't been too bad, I don't think. Yesterday I actually didn't even get a chance to journal because for whatever reason, with my particular chart trader, it freezes when I show the executions on my chart screen. I feel like it's just my chart trader though, because Nutty Bar, if I'm not mistaken, I feel like as soon as he's out of trades, you could see his executions on his charts, but he uses a different chart trader than I do. I feel like he has the essential one, which is the most expensive one. I just have the close bar, so mine was, it's literally just for the close of the bar. I don't have all the strategy planning and everything else. So, um, but normally what I do when I turn off the order panel where I actually click the buttons to get me into trades, when I turn that off for a couple minutes and then turn the executions on, it doesn't typically freeze my screen, but it froze it yesterday. So and unfortunately, like once my charts are frozen, I'm kind of screwed. I have to wait until after midnight to journal, and I just didn't do that yesterday. So, but it's all good. I want to kind of any trades I'm just not completely confident on. I think I'm gonna sit out of them for now. Because like yesterday, I basically wouldn't have gotten into any trades, I think, except the one that I had, no, two that would have broken even, and that's it. So I think I kind of want to stick to that. Luckily, on my cheat sheet, anything that's iffy, I have it like in purple. So I'm able to see very quickly if it's something that I'm already, like, I have enough examples of or I'm extremely confident in. So I think I kind of want to stick to that for now. It's not very many spots, but like literally yesterday, all of the trades that I took, except the one that I manually broke even on before I got on the stream, all the other trades were trades that were iffy. I think the one trade that I won though was fine. I think, but I can't remember. But yeah. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, True. Good morning, Trenches. How are you guys? Yeah, I hate when that happens because a lot of times, well, lately my sleep has just been kind of all over the place. But a lot of times after midnight, I'm not trying to open my computer back up. But I don't know. So after I journal today, I'm going to journal everything from yesterday. But the good thing was my memory actually served me pretty well yesterday. I kind of remembered at least what some of the volume patterns were, so it wasn't a big deal. Like, it was easy for me to kind of go through and look at everything. I should be in that trade. Let's see if we can push through the VWAP. Only thing is, because of the type of order it is, some of my orders might be a little off. All right, cool. That's literally the same exact trade I just took earlier before I got on the stream. It was this buy, more volume in this swing than that one. So it was a trap of the sellers. and we played off of the rotation of the resistance level, which we all know resistance can become support. And then here it is, same exact trade, except that same resistance level is a little bit lower, but literally same exact trade, because this zone was down a little bit further over here. It was like here. So we literally rotated off the zone to use it as support. And then not too long after, same thing. It's just the zone moved up a little bit. So almost the same exact trade. And it happened about 15 minutes apart from each other. Almost missed it though. I thought it wasn't going to end up trapping, but it did. Well, this was setting up initially, but looks like we're going to end up with a negative delta. Oh, you guys, there's a really cool indicator that I found in the Discord yesterday. I'll show you guys in a little bit. You're red. Are you following your rules though? I haven't even need to clear that. Oh, okay. Damn, I forgot what I was about to say. Forgot that quick. Damn, I really don't remember what I was gonna say. I don't remember. Oh, the indicator. I'm gonna show you guys it later. It's an order flow indicator. Not what I'm looking for. I don't think, yeah, it's not. Too much volume there. That's invalid on the sale. Yes, it's a really cool order flow indicator. However, I think it's actually a paid indicator that somebody gave the download out to for free. It's pretty cool. The only problem I have with it is that it doesn't work well on the Renkos and 104. It's legit. Oh, damn. And it's only because because of the type of Renkos that I use and the settings that I have, a lot of times there's no volume in some of these bars, like it's just kind of skipping through. And so what happens is on that particular order flow indicator, I like it because it shows like normal order flow where it shows the bars at the bottom, like to show you the delta and everything. So what happens is the bars for the delta don't match up with my actual Renko bars because it doesn't count the bars that have no volume. So it just kind of like skips over it. So I might be looking at a Renko bar over here, but the delta's all the way over here, like more left, because it's not following it properly. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It actually shows you where the trapped buyers and sellers are, which are pretty high quality signals. And then it has like, there's other signals in there as well to show you when there's like a burst of volume. So I didn't look at it on like a time-based chart yet, just because I just kind of discovered it in a random Discord that I was in. But like I said, it looks pretty freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. 71. Close 40. Oh, we pushed too far. I thought we were gonna drop right there, but we didn't. Have I been using it already? No, I have not. I have not. I literally just discovered it last night, and so I was playing around with it on my other computer, and you know what? I just realized, how the heck is my indicators working? Did I go back into, I must have went back into Ninja and changed it. Because what I have to do with my Ninja indicators when I want to play around on my other computer, because I don't feel like sitting with this heavy one on my chest in the bed, I have to switch my licenses over. I feel like I didn't switch them back, but everything's working just fine. Knock on wood. That's very weird. It normally doesn't work properly. But yeah, when the market slows down a little bit, I'll show it to you guys. I did not switch them back. I don't know how everything's working, but we won't ask any questions. I'll make sure I switch them back after I'm done trading because I don't want something to mess up. But yeah, if you look it up online, it's called KISS order flow presentation or something like that. KISS order flow. But yeah, I'm in a Discord where they share links and files for just different indicators and stuff, and that happened to be one of them. But I was definitely playing around with it. Like I said, I really liked it. I just got screwed because of the way that it reads my particular Renko settings. That's the only thing that screwed me. All right, we got news in 15 minutes. 76. One thing I do also want to do when I'm done trading today is make the middle VWAP level just a little bit thicker. It is white, and I don't have any other white lines for the most part on my charts, so it's very easy to see it, but I just want to make it a little bit thicker, just knowing that I don't want to take trades there. And then I also need to go through all of my data from starting from a month ago, November 4th. So all of my data for this strategy goes from November 4th to obviously today. And so I just want to go through all of that and look at all the trades that happened where the entry bar touches the middle pivot level, because I want to see if I need to treat the middle pivot level like I'm going to end up treating the middle VWAP level. Because like I said, prior to, I had already had thoughts of not taking trades at either one. And at one point I wasn't taking trades, I know for sure, at the middle pivot level. But I think it's going to probably end up being both. We don't really trade at the middle pivot level that much, but the way that I journal makes it extremely easy to like quickly go through all of the hundreds of trades. I think at this point there's probably like I don't know, at least like 350, 400 trades to go through. Yeah, it's kind of a lot, but it's very easy to filter through it. All right, we got to see what happens at this zone. Get a few more mods just now. He's gonna have a mods only to. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Wait, I need to go over there because I'm a mod too. Look, he can't be doing stuff when I'm streaming. I'm gonna say Amelia sent me. I heard he's in the race, in the runnings for getting #1 on what's his name, on Patrick's survey thing that he's doing. Who's your favorite YouTuber or something? And I guess the top prize gets $5,000. Oh yeah, let me oh wait, let's see. Let's see. I think we might end up pushing too far. 13. All right, yeah, we just pushed up too far. All right, let's see. Now I just kind of have to wait to see if we're gonna go back to an uptrend or if we're gonna break back down for the downtrend. I was about to say, what the hell is that noise? I forgot I just turned the stream off. Oh yeah. All right, let me see. I don't remember. Did I download it? Let me see if I downloaded it on this computer, because if not, I'll download it real quick. No, I didn't. All right, I was only playing around on my other computer. Let me download it and then I'll show it to you guys. And then if you want it, just message me on Discord and I can send it to you. Since we're at a place where I can't really trade right now. Which Discord is in this one? And now I can tell that based on the last time this person uploaded it, I can tell that there are some updates to it, but obviously unless that person posts the updated one, you can't get the updates. But like when I looked on the website online, it was saying that now there's like stoplights on there or something. So like when the trade is setting up, it will put like this green light on your screen, I guess, to tell you that a trade is about to set up. Okay. I thought I was gonna have to restart my computer, but I don't. Good. All right, we're still in a place I can't trade. All right, I just finished importing it. Am I oh, I'm not frozen. Okay. Everything was frozen. My whole computer was just frozen just now. All right. Where is this one? Yeah. Then how do I always forget? Right here. All right, so show trapped traders, show bulldozer bars. I think bulldozer bars and surge bars are when like there's a lot of volume that just comes through. There was another, oh, here. No, not there. It even has a setting where it can draw support and resistance bands, or basically supply and demand zones, and you could say for it to draw on every value area of every bar, or only draw it on the trap trader bars, the buy sell bars, or the surge bars. All right, let's see. Yeah, because I can't really trade right now anyway. And we got to prepare for news. My charts might freeze a little bit. You got to use the tick replay data. No giveaways yet. He's still working on something. Got you. I did go back yesterday and I was watching his stream where he was talking about the U profit stuff and talking about high frequency trading and stuff. I'm like, bro, please stop. These people are nuts. All right, so you have to zoom in kind of far, but because when you're not zoomed in, it's gonna tell you you gotta zoom in so that you can see the order flow or whatever, but it's pretty smooth. You can change the color of the bars and stuff obviously as well, but this is what I was saying, like on Renko bars, this doesn't work well because when there's no volume in those particular bars, it kind of screws me a little bit. But it highlights where the trapped buyers and sellers are. And so, you know, if you're trend trading, then it's very easy for you to like, all right, let's say you're looking at this as being an uptrend, I don't know, whatever. If you're looking at it being an uptrend, you're just looking for the trapped buyers or the trapped bar for the buy bar, and then you could just take the buy. Or if you're looking at this as a downtrend, then you do the same thing. So it paints the value area when it's trapped buyers or sellers. It makes it like colored instead of being open like that, but it shows you where the POC is. You could change the color of the POC. I just didn't because I'm not using it, but I'm trying to look. I think I remember the surge bars being these arrows because they have like different reversals and stuff. They have one reversal where it'll literally put on the top of it, it'll say sell or buy. I can't really see that far, but yeah. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. Like I said, it just doesn't work for me, but so you can see how it like painted this support level right here because it's painting it based off of the trapped sellers right there. But yeah. And I mean, of course, on the website, it basically says to, you know, use it in conjunction with other things, telling you, you know, are you in an uptrend or a downtrend so that you don't get into the wrong trades and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh, here you go. Those are bulldozer bars. I couldn't see that far. So yeah, like in this uptrend, right? Let me zoom in far enough so you can see. So you can see that it's showing you when there's a lot of buyer activity in the bar. And I think that it's based on like kind of where the value area is in the bar, as well as kind of what the volume profile looks like. And so it just shows you that the buyers are trying to bulldoze the market and make it continue to go up. But yeah. You're not you moving in with Janelle. TP hit 3670. Nice. Congratulations. Nice, nice, nice. So gold has been moving pretty decent. And speaking of gold, look at this. Wait, did I save it? Memories. Let me see if I saved it. Oh yeah, I did. Was this gold? Yeah, this is when I was starting to, I think this was 4 years ago. And I was getting back into trading Forex because I was going to do the FTMO challenge. And this is a gold trade on a 30-minute chart. And you can see my sell was here. And I sold over there. I didn't sell over here. Sold there, stop loss up here. And this actually ended up hitting my TP. And then my memories from today, I think, are on the Nasdaq though. Let me see. Oh no. Okay, so this was, what is this? This might be ES. I think this is ES, yeah. And okay. I was mad because news came and made it hit my take profit, but you know in Forex how you have the freaking, what do you call it? The spread. So it hit my TP in my futures account. I had been in this trade since 5:46 in the morning. Entered on a 2-minute chart, and it says news made it blast in seconds, hit the TP and didn't close. And then it says I did hit my TP on my futures account though. I'm pretty sure this is the, maybe it's not ES. I don't know. But based on the price, it kind of looks like it's ES. But yeah, so I sold there. It literally hit my TP to the tick, but didn't close the trade because of the spread on Forex. And my stop loss was up there. I'm pretty sure I ended up just closing it. But yeah, this was, it looks like 4 years ago. And I had almost a 14% growth on my trading account that week on my personal account. Not come back to the gray side. Any idea what the green pyramid means? The green pyramid on that order flow thing is just a signal for you to possibly enter. So some of the green pyramids have to do with there being a bulldozer bar, and then some of the other ones are just their version of a reversal bar. So it just kind of depends. But you have the ability to turn different things on and off. So you can turn on and off the trap trader signal, the bulldozer bars, the what was the other one? Surge bars, and then the reversal bars. You can even turn on and off the support and resistance bands. So and you can turn off the bars at the bottom if you don't want to look at it. You can tell it like, okay, put the delta percentage, but not the volume. So it's very customizable, very customizable. All in your personal account. I love it. Have I taken a payout from Apex? No. No, I have not. Not ES was a night. Yeah, I did. ES was cool, but not my favorite. I definitely was like, look, if I could just master the Nasdaq, this instrument. But no, I have not taken a payout on Apex. I've had a funded account since March, but it took me until July to trade on it. I've been developing my own strategy, and knowing that my strategy was not ready, it makes no sense to trade on my funded account. So I'm still kind of in the process of finalizing my strategy. I'm probably this close at this point, but that's what I've been doing for the last almost year, putting in the chart time for that. So yeah, I have not. Wondering if they pay Canada residents. They do. They will pay you via plane. I think everyone that's international has to be paid through plane. It's kind of like Rise, so it's just a middleman basically. But yeah, they pay out. And usually, now if it's your first payout, what'll end up happening is after you're approved, it takes about a week or so for you to get your invite to plane, because you have to receive the invitation from Apex, and then they'll deposit the money and you'll be good from there. Then you could transfer it to your bank account. Liquidity grabs after market open. Win rate went up. Ooh, nice. Nice. Huh. You say aftermarket. When you say aftermarket open, do you mean like at 8:30 in the morning, or do you mean like the evening open? All right, not looking for a sell. This particular volume pattern doesn't work well for counter trend divergence when it's creating a new high or low. Basically, there's too much volume here, so the sellers already started to attempt to take over the trend, so it doesn't work well when you're trying to hit that counter trend divergence off the new high. We got 30 minutes left. See what happens. And I'm also not quite sure still if I like pullbacks that start with a double bottom or double top. I have rules for it, but I'm still a little, I don't know. So I'll probably sit out of the pullback just because I feel like I don't have enough data for it just yet. Okay, the 8:30 open. I got you. I got you. I actually forgot to start my journal for today. Bro, every time Nutty starts, he goes silent and then all of a sudden he starts talking. It creeps me out because I keep forgetting he's on in the background. 12:04. What news did we had? 8:45 medium, 9 o'clock high, 9:30 medium. Oh yeah, and thank you guys yesterday for letting me know that I needed to cancel that Top Step account since it wasn't fully breached. I did go ahead and buy another account. That's the December one that's showing up there. Oh, Cody's back. He is so freaking adorable. We're still pushing up. Yep. That divergence not gonna work either. There was a 2.7 thousand volume in that swing and only 2.1 in this one. So again, the sellers are already starting to take over the trend. So I can't get into a sell off the new high. So I'll just wait for the next pullback. Difficulty closing, yeah. I wonder why. Are they not they're not responding to you? Where is that is so interesting. There was a lot of volume in this candle. So much so that the delta was negative 503. I think that's probably the highest number I've ever seen in like the last month. Usually, I think the highest I've ever seen is like 201 maybe, but there was like 2600 volume in that candle. But you see how even with all the volume that was in that candle, along with the VWAP of trying to push it down, it only went like 13 ticks or so. Yeah, it went 13 ticks. Too many buyers came in there. All right, let me finish some of this. 1470, 1882. Today is Wednesday? Y'all, I literally thought I was tripping. Oh, wait. I just wrote the wrong thing down. I'm so slow. I'm literally over here like, isn't it Tuesday? Dang, the weeks just be going by so fast. What am I writing? 48. You know what? Just F this whole little paper up. All right. All right. 46.95. Okay. No response. Can't delete my CC info either. Did you try to reach out to them on Discord? To video on explaining Apex. Thank you. I'm actually gonna put another video out. It's probably gonna be a 5-minute video. Nutty kind of said something about it. I think it was last week. He was like, I'm gonna put out a 5-minute all you need to know about Apex video because people just act like they can't watch a 30-minute video, whatever. So I'm gonna try to put that together and probably release it this weekend because it's really not that much. Like, I think that most people who are bothered just don't really understand the rules, number one, and also don't really understand how the rules are truly there to help as well. So I'm going to try to put that together because I think it'll be very helpful for people because it's really not that much. The only reason my video was long is because, you know, obviously I was pulling clips and stuff from here and there and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do a short, concise, here are the rules, here's how you get paid kind of thing. Because I think that some people are still not really understanding the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is very weird. Because there's a couple of people who have been like getting denied and they swear up and down they have good risk management and things like that. But when it was checked out, come to find out, it was the 5 to 1. So I'm not really sure how they're not understanding that. I don't really know. But I just know they're not understanding it fully. Now this is one of those. Oh, well, it's trying to trap now, so I'll be all right. If this bar reverses up here, I'm not quite sure if I'll take it if it sets up how my rules say, only because it's something new. And I just said I'm not taking anything that I'm still questioning a little bit. And I'm only questioning it because it's a pullback to my middle half trend. But it's the entry bar is also going to rotate over the minor half trend. And I don't want it to be a trap. It looked like it's going to trap anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, maybe not. Ah, yeah. It's definitely going to trap. One of the price levels, 78.25, was one volume point away from making it a valid trade. It would have moved the PLC one up one. That's the reason I'm here. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, I have more short form content coming out regarding prop firms, just different day trading stuff. It's just I've been just so focused on my strategy and studying and stuff that I didn't really want to devote the time that it takes to do some of that. But it's definitely coming. That freaking sucks. Literally one volume point away. Oh, looks like it would have just broken even anyway. So I feel better. I feel way better. Yeah, that would have pushed down to my break even. I'll show you guys what I was looking for. If I make this bigger, you can see there was 78 volume for a trap of the sellers, but the price right above it was also 78. This is a neutral bar, that's why it's yellow. But yeah, if there was one more volume point here, then it would have taken over and it would have just been a continuation instead of an attempt to trap the sellers. And I didn't want it to be a trap. I wanted it to be a continuation if I was to get into it. Everything else was fine with it. This delta was 218, so I just wanted it to be a continuation and the delta to be less than 218. But we didn't quite make it. Didn't quite make it. Oh my goodness, I did not expect that to do that. Ah. Oh no, please flatten. Y'all, I'm in a trade and I can't get out. Ah, that just annoyed me. I could have held it though. It would have came back to my entry. Am I still green? Yeah, I just lost quite a bit on that because it didn't put my stop loss in. That's pretty annoying. Pretty freaking annoying. 167. So I'm kind of like, this divergence to this half trend. I literally just put back in, and I'm still literally trying to figure out if I want to trade it or not. And I literally just said I'm not gonna risk ones that I'm still questioning, and I did it anyway. And that's what you get. That's what you get. Hit there and reverse down. Usually we could push through there though. Whatever. Thank you, Moses. Thank you, thank you. Literally just said I wasn't gonna do that. What do we got? 10 minutes left. Probably definitely not taking any more trades, but we'll see. If it's something I'm super confident in, I'll do it. Why did I don't know why I brought that one back. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get rid of that particular pattern. I find more success with the other pattern. Is what I'm seeing. So like I don't like the higher low to lower high to lower low. I prefer the higher low to higher high, and then it slammed down to a lower low. That one I don't have any losses from so far. But this one is just a little iffy, it looks like. So yeah, I'll probably just completely get rid of that one in particular. Unless I do. So that was a continuation. But from a price action and order flow perspective, it makes sense for this to more so only like me to only take the trades if it's a trap. Because from a price action standpoint, right, we have a lower high here. And then we have a lower low. So obviously the sellers are in control of the trend. So trying to take a continuation doesn't make sense. It makes more sense for the sellers to be in control of the point of control and you to trap them to continue up. So yeah, I'll probably just get rid of that altogether or only have it to where it has to be a trap in order to work out. It's probably what I'll end up doing. I wasn't really worried about the double top being in the middle. There was more volume and delta in that bar to support pushing back towards the double top. But yeah, there's just like certain little small kinks like that. Literally just put this back on my cheat sheet. I didn't want to trade it anymore, but yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to the other pattern instead. Do I have an IG page? I do, but I don't use it. I've had that same IG page for probably like 10, 12 years, and I don't use it. I hate Instagram, actually. I really don't use social media at all anymore. Ever since I shut my business down. Yeah, I just don't use it anymore. So the only place I am is here on YouTube or on Discord. That's pretty much it. Let me write this on my chart. Will likely get rid of completely. So I can remind myself. Cause yeah, I don't think I like that at all. All right, let's see where we're at. We're in a chop fest. I only have 5 minutes left in the session. Probably not gonna get any more trades in. Kind of sort of annoyed that I even got into that last trade. Yeah, I lost way too much on that trade, like way too much. About 30 $30 more than I should have. Which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're only going for $86 on a win and $94 on a loss, that extra $30 is a lot. And literally it was only because of how I got into it. But it's cool. At least I'm still gonna end green. That's all that matters. But I was definitely almost back to I was almost back to a full drawdown on the Top Step account that I've had since for the last 2 weeks. So that's the only part that sucks, but it's cool. Oh yeah, and thank you to everyone who used my code yesterday. I had a pretty big day yesterday. So thank you to everyone. All right, 4 minutes left. Today actually wasn't bad. It's so weird that the 2 trades that I took that I was confident about were the exact same volume patterns, exact same order flow patterns. That was very weird. And happened almost at the exact same price level, 15 minutes apart from each other. That was weird also. But and the crazy thing is that setup does not happen that much. But it still worked out. That's all that matters. So far in about 20 trading days, it only set up 6 times, it looks like. No losses though. So including the 2 wins from today, it's 5 wins, no losses, no break evens, and then 1 trade where I wouldn't have gotten filled on the entry. Where is, oh, it's way down there. Cool. I feel like this is still the same. Oh no, it's, oh no, okay. So my trades earlier were at the 3rd resistance level and we're now trading at the 4th one. So past this, the market is going to be extremely extended. Damn, I was hoping that we cleared here, but it doesn't look like we're going to. All right, we're not gonna clear. Yes, green. Thank you. Thank goodness. I'm just so mad at that last trade though. Like, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not gonna harp on it. It's cool. Like I said, once I think about it from an order flow perspective, it makes sense why it's just a little iffy. But that's all right. All right, let me show you guys the accounts. All right, so before my fuck up, I think I was back to a $50,000 balance on this account. I think. I'm not sure, but it's all good. So we are green for today. Thank you, goodness. Um, Starting off green with the brand new account that I just started today. And yeah, so looking, I'm pretty sure. So I took 3 trades, 2 wins and a loss. It's just that loss was way more of a loss than it should have been, which is fine, but not a bad day. Yes, Paul, I'm green. Thank you, goodness. But yeah, so I'm gonna spend the rest of the day trying to, and it's not gonna take me long. I have to journal for today and yesterday. And probably once I finish the journaling for yesterday, I can completely kind of finish out some of the um, like iffy spots on my cheat sheet in regards to my strategy. At this point, it's only a few other little iffy spots, and they're not really iffy. I know I want to get into the trades, but I don't know if I want the entry bar to have to react off of a level or not. So, because for some of them, it seems like it's going to work out whether a level is attached or not, but I just have plus level in like parentheses because for now I'll stick to if it's not attached to a level, we're not going to take it. Um, but I think that's the only iffy spot besides the trade I just lost. And then one of my counter trend divergence setups, I'm not sure if I want it to be how I want it to attach to a previous high or low. And I think that's really it. So let's see how everything goes. Thank you, Janelle. Thank you. So yeah, I thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.